Albert left at a time where I didn't expect that he would leave.
Mutumia wa Albert Ojwang ni akorwo agitiga andu na maithori hindi ya mass ino yakorwo igithii na mbere ya kuririkana muturire wa Albert Ojwang uria wagikorirwo akiuragirwo ni maabitha a borithi kuria Central Police Station Nairobi. Oroho family ya Albert ni akorwo igiconfirm ati President Ruto ni amaheire ciringi milioni 2 na Raila Odinga akimahe ciringi milioni 1 na Akenya marakorwo magicanga ciringi milioni 2 mbeca iria marauga marakorirwo makiheo niguo mahote kuhaririria thabari ino ya mwisho ya Albert Ojwang.
Albert has been my everything. When we last talked, when he was in Central Police Station, I think I'm the last person he talked to. And his last words were, "I love you, see you soon." So seeing him soon here or even in the mortuary it really broke me. But he has always told me to be courageous. So I just want to stand strong for the sake of our son, the mom, the dad, and even other people that are not here, because most of them looked up to him. So I want these people to look up to me. So I don't want to be weak. I want to be strong. And Albert, I love you so much. I don't know if he's hearing, but I want him to know that he means so much to me. Even if he's lying here, I truly love him, and I'll always do. I'll always be here for mom, for dad, for G, for grandma, for your uncles, for everyone. I'll always love them the way you did. And thank you. Thank you for the little time that we shared. I just pray that God gives me that strength and the peace of mind that everybody wants. And lastly, I'll want to talk to the police and even those people that are in charge of taking care of us. I wouldn't wish to see anybody or any parent, any wife, any son, any daughter going through whatever we are going through. So I would like to urge them to treat everyone perfectly. Even if they are not their relatives, even if they are people that they don't know, let them take the right channel. Let them deal with everyone in the very best way. And may God protect all of us. I pray that you pray for me so that I get that courage to be with this family. They're looking up to me the way they were looking up to Albert. God bless you all.